Hello, my name's Zaphod Beeblebrox and I'm the British Tech Guru. I just had a package that has arrived from China and there it is. That is a frequency counter kit, all made in China. Let me open this, if I can get it open. And let's see, this probably going to be Chinglish. There we go. Frequency meter. This is to help me develop my micro flash. Needed a frequency counter, couldn't afford an oscilloscope. Well, I didn't want to afford an oscilloscope. I don't think one would have been any good to me. Oh, welding. I don't think I'm going to be welding anything. There we go. So this frequency counter kit is going to be used with the forthcoming micro flash. And I'll see you again in the next video.